In this quick and short video, we're going to talk about cost one tax relief. So this is a cost one tax relief review. If you use cost one tax group for your tax debt relief, let's talk about it in this video. So cost one tax group, often referred to as cost one tax relief, is basically a mid-sized tax resolution firm that has been in operation for around 20 years now. It remains a stable player, highly rated in the industry, though it carries a slightly different reputation than high volume firms like Alleviate or Clear Start. So here's some pros and cons when it comes to using them to handle your tax debt. So they do have experience. That's an advantage. They've been in the business of handling, solving tax debt for individuals, for Americans, businesses for more than 18 years, which is a lifetime in a volatile tax relief industry. And personalized focus, they do promise personalized focus when it comes to your tax debts and your cases, because there are smaller. Clients often report feeling like a person rather than a case number when they are dealing with them, like the bigger organizations. And federal and tax debt. So unlike most tax relief firms out there, basically cost one tax group also handles federal and state tax debt, which is a good plus on their side. Then in terms of the disadvantages of working with them, is usually people don't like their basically aggressive marketing. So they are known for tax lien investigation mailers that some users find misleading or predatory. So it depends on users, and some people actually also claim that they got surprised with hidden costs. Some complaints mention being charged extra for standard services like tax return preparation, and there is no live chat. Their online presence is basically dated. You can even look at this website. It's basically almost dated. You must speak to a rep over a phone for almost everything, and most people do not like that. So if you used cost one tax group before, if you used cost one tax relief services before, leave your review and comments and thoughts in the comment section below.